Use the tape measure to determine the installation height. Use a level to determine the installation position. Use an electric screwdriver to drill holes. Insert the expansion screws into the drilled holes. Install and tighten the screws. Install the eShiny according to the corresponding buckle. Tighten the fixing screws of the rear cover. Now the eShiny is installed. Plug the charging gun head. The indicator light turns blue. The connection is successful. Swipe the card. The indicator light turns green. It enters the charging state. Swipe the card again to stop charging.